Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियों। I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Bholia, Faculty of Agriculture Veterinary Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, this is the lecture of the Medical Biotechnology Lab, and the name of the session is the Determine the Lethal Effect of Microorganism. Sorry, determine the lethal effect of temperature on the microorganisms. So, we will observe the lethal effect of the temperature. So there are different types of microbes like bacteria, viruses, fungus, etc. We will take the sample of soil and dissolve it in the water, and we will dilute this sample and stick on the agar plate. We will prepare the agar plate and stick on the agar plate, and we will put the plate in the incubator for 24 hours. We will observe the growth and pick the pure colony which is grown on the agar plate. Next day, we will pick this colony and dissolve in the water again, and we will prepare 5 plates of the agar for different temperatures. So we will stick this diluted colony on the 5 plates, and the 5 plates will be put on different temperatures. The 5 temperature will be 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. After 24 hours of incubation, we will observe the growth and we will put back the plates again in the incubators. After more 24 hours, means at 48 hours, we will again observe the growth, and we will draw a graph of the observation that at what temperature the growth is maximal. So the growth will be maximal at um, generally at the moderate temperature. But there are 3 types of bacteria. The one type of bacteria which will love to grow at lower temperatures and known as the psychrophiles. The second type of bacteria grow optimally at moderate temperature and known as the mesophiles. The third type of bacteria grow optimally at the higher temperatures, and they are known as the thermophiles. So the thermophiles are generally found at the hot springs, volcanoes, etc. So for this practical, we need incubator, distilled water, soil sample, test tubes, culture plates, autoclave, etc. And this experiment will take for around 4 days. Okay. So after this experiment, you will write the practical and put the graph. The practical will be written in the form of, first of all, you will write the aim of the objective, then principle, that what is the principle behind this phenomenon. The principle is that um, the live cells, bacteria are also live and they have the enzymes. So enzymes are temperature sensitive. So a specific type of enzyme have a specific activity at a specific temperature. So at lower temperature and higher temperature, the enzymes get deactivated and the growth will be retarded. At the optimal temperatures, the enzymes are more active and they will grow fast. So according to the isolation of the bacteria, which type of bacteria is isolated, you will get the graph. You will put the graph of the growth at one side. You will write temperature, and second type the number of plate, means one plate, second plate, third plate, and which at which temperature you will get the optimal growth. So this will be your practical, and hope you will be satisfied with this digital session. And this digital session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any doubt or query, you can write in the comment box, and definitely I will respond and I will solve your query. Thank you.